Are you interested in learning more about the staple of the Mediterranean diet? Do you want to know how invaluable it is to your health? If yes, you're in luck. The thing is, extra virgin olive oil has a whole lot of health benefits. There's far more to it than meets the taste buds. This nectar of the gods is rich in vitamin E and a host of other nutrients. It's also good to know that olive oil contains up to 75% monounsaturated fat. This is a good kind of fat that's beneficial to the body. Here are some other health benefits of extra virgin olive oil. 1. Perfect for weight loss. Do you know that extra virgin olive oil is a secret weapon for weight loss? The Mediterraneans consume up to 20 liters of the oil every year and still aren't fat. The thing is, a diet rich in extra virgin olive oil may provide you with sustainable weight loss results than a low-fat diet. 2. Prevents diabetes. It's also good to know that regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil may help inhibit or delay the onset of diabetes. Moreover, this nectar of the gods regulate and balance insulin levels, and that's great for your health. 3. Heals the skin. Another great thing about extra virgin olive oil is the wonders it does to the skin. It works great for premature aging and skin damage. Moreover, the oil adds a protective coating on the skin. The good thing is, you can enjoy this benefit by both consumption and application. The oil also works as a great moisturizer. What more could you ask for? 4. Pain relief. Extra virgin olive oil also acts as a natural pain reliever thanks to a component known as oleocanthal. This substance has great anti-inflammatory properties. It's more like a natural ibuprofen. So, indulging a Mediterranean-style diet might provide you with the long-term benefits of the drug, including reduced cancer risk. 5. Stronger immune system. This amazing oil is also chock full of antioxidants which are vital for strengthening and protecting your immune system. So this simply means that extra virgin olive oil may make your body less susceptible or resistant to infection. 6. Mental strength. As mentioned earlier, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fat. According to research, this fat inhibits the cognitive decline that's typically associated with diseases like Alzheimer's. 7. Ensures the smooth running of the body. It's also good to know that extra virgin olive oil helps your body operate as it's supposed to. It plays a significant role in the operational health of vital parts of your body, including the pancreas, stomach, and intestines. 8. Longer lifespan. There's no doubt that extra virgin olive oil can add more years to your life since it prevents and reduces the impact of several chronic diseases, including certain cancers. This is totally awesome for something that's also great for the taste buds. 9. Better sex life. Want to improve your sex life? If yes, be sure to add more of it to your salads. It's good to know that olive oil boosts blood circulation to every part of your body, including those hard-to-reach erogenous zones. This is exactly why the greatest lover in history was Italian. Now we know his big secret. As you can see, the healing and health properties of extra virgin olive oil are huge. It's sure to change your life. There's truly far more to extra virgin oil than meets the taste buds. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.